If you are just starting to run ads on Facebook or Instagram and you are struggling to get results, there is one thing you can do to generate massive results for your ads. And in this video, I'm going to show it to you. A common mistake you make when you are trying to set up your advert for the first time is to go on YouTube, watch about 2 to 3 videos, and then start setting up your adverts. That approach is very, very wrong. Now, the best approach is to model what is already working for businesses like yours. So here's a better approach. Spy on your competitors who are already running the kind of adverts you want to run. Find their best winning ads, and then finally model it for your own business. I know you're asking, where can I find these adverts? The Facebook Ads Library. Think of it as a library of successful ads from business owners like you. Okay, let's jump into my computer. Let me show you how to utilize the Facebook Ads Library and what to do so that you can get massive results from your ad. You're going to open a new tab in your Chrome browser or whatever browser you use. I'm going to first sign into my Facebook account. I'm signed in already, so I'm going to open another tab and Google Facebook Ads Library. Okay. I'm going to click on the first link of the results. As we've established, the Facebook Ads Library is a collection of ads running across the Meta technologies, Facebook and Instagram. There are 2 core benefits of the Facebook Ad Library. First, you get to see all active ads running on the platform, either it's on Facebook and Instagram or their audience network. Secondly, you monitor your competitors and see what they are doing. Get inspiration and replicate it for your business. Because if it's already working for them, there is a 90% chance that it's going to work for you. Like I said, you don't need to start from scratch and build all your marketing campaign and assets. Get inspiration from what is already working in your niche or your industry and do the same for your business. The first thing you're going to do is to come here and set your location, select your country. Currently, I'm in Nigeria. But the beautiful thing is that you can see any adverts from any country. So I'm going to leave it at Nigeria. So for instance, if I wanted to check adverts from United Kingdom, I'm going to search for United Kingdom and click on United Kingdom. But I'm going to come here and set my current location, which is Nigeria. Then add category. I'll leave it at all ads. So this is the search bar. So I'm going to come here and search for a keyword related to my business. This is where you are going to search for a keyword related to your business. Take for instance, I sell supplements. So I'm going to come here, type in supplements. Click on enter. There are 4,400 adverts currently running across Facebook and Instagram with the word and phrase supplement. If you scroll down, you're going to see some adverts about supplements. This is the first one. This is another one. Another one. Another one, another one, another one, another one. You need to understand that not every advert that's going to show here will be about supplements. Most times people use keywords that are not related to their niche just to market their products and services. So you need to take note of that. The next thing you can do is to come here and add filters. We have language, all languages. We have advertiser, all advertisers. Platform, currently it is on all platforms. I like to leave mine at all platforms, but you can choose only Facebook or Instagram or audience network or messenger, but I leave mine at all platforms. In media type, we have images, memes, images and memes and videos. I will just leave it at all media types. Then active status, you want the Facebook Ads Library to show you adverts that are currently active on the platform. So leave it at active ads. Impression by date. You want the Facebook ad library to show you advert that has been running for at least 6 months to 1 year. So we are going to come here. Let's say 1st January 2024 to 17 January 2025, which is today. So we are going to apply 2 filters. You can also click to see the advertiser. And once you are here, there are 4 things you need to check out for. 3 or 4 things you need to check out for. The first thing is the ad copy. The second thing is the ad creative. The third thing is the offer behind the advert. Also, you are going to look at their funnel. This is the ad copy for these adverts. And this is the ad creative. They are currently running a carousel advert. See? Now, for my opinion, this advert is very, very poor. Because if you look at the ad copy, pay attention to the ad copy, they are selling so many things. Also have a list of all these things on the same advert. All products are available in both retail and wholesale quantities. If you do want to be a distributor or retailer, there's a lot going on this advert. I always tell my clients, make sure each of your adverts is focused on selling one product. And even if you are selling different products using a carousel post, make sure they are interconnected. You cannot use one advert to sell all this. So this person can do better. This person can do better. So we're going to look at another advert. Okay, I think I like this one. See at the top. Are you frustrated with skincare creams causing damage to your skin, resulting in dark spots, pimples, and acne? This is the problem they are solving. Introducing our gummies. This is perfect. Suitable for all genders, addresses hyperpigmentation and scars. Blah 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 blah. Enjoy fast and reliable nationwide free delivery. This is beautiful. I love this ad copy. I give this a 8 over 10 because it tackles everything. Calls out the problem. First, it calls out the desire of every girl. Unlock your inner beauty naturally. Then, calls out the problems. It introduces the products, the benefits, and then bonus, which is free delivery, and then a call to action on how they can order. Perfect ad copy, 8 over 10. Now let's look at the ad creative. That's the second thing. The first thing is the ad copy. The second thing is the ad creative.
It is medically and scientifically proven that the best and safest way to have even complexion or brighten your skin is from within. With a high rate of skin damage and skin reactions caused by the influx of fake skincare products on the market today, you need to add this glutathione whitening.
If you are using a video advert for your product or your service, the first 3 seconds of your advert is very, very important and you need to nail it. For her, she did very well. So we'll play again and listen very carefully.
It is medically and scientifically proven that the best and safest way.
It is medically and scientifically proven that the best and safest way. If someone starts an advert that way, you're going to pay attention because that person is speaking from the point of view of an expert. And the person is also tapping into a bias because if they say something is scientifically and medically proven, simply means that they have done a lot of tests and they have come to a conclusion that it works. So people are going to pay attention to her. For this ad creative, I'm going to give her a 7 over 10, which is decent. The next thing you are going to look for is their offer. For us to look at their offer, I think you are going to open this in another link, click on the other button and look at their landing page. So a quick one, if you have tried everything with Facebook and Instagram ads and you are still not getting results, and you need a one-on-one strategy section where I'm going to show you how to properly run your advert and also create an advert for your business, check the description of this video and also check the first comment. Click the link and apply to work with me. I can't wait to hear from you. Now, this headline is very, very perfect. Look 10 times younger and get the glowing skin you've always dreamed of and look just like your favorite celebrity. Every girl has this desire. They have the desire to look younger, they have the desire to have a glowing skin, and they also want to look like their favorite celebrities. So this is a 10 over 10 headline for me. Off the bat, you see a picture of a girl. You are not here to analyze the sales copy. We just want to look at their offer. I can already see a good offer here. Buy 2, get 1 free. Buy 2, get 1 free collagen snail. So I'm going to click on this. It has taken us to where we have all the offers. So we have 3 offers here: regular, silver, gold. So buy 1. This only gives you 1 bottle. Buy 2. And then buy 3. I don't really understand this offer very well. This is one of the mistakes people make. If I'm seeing an offer here, and if I buy 2, get 1 free collagen, then I come here and I'm only seeing buy 1, buy 2, buy 3. Where is the one that you promised us? You told me if I buy 2, I'm going to get 1 free, but I'm not seeing it here. I'm not seeing it here. So please always go through your sales funnel and your sales letter before you publish it. They can do better. It's always good to read through your sales letter before you publish it. But besides that, they have a good funnel. This is where they are going to place their order, fill in their name, and once they submit, their order is taken and it is delivered to them. So they have a good funnel. It's just that the offer is presented wrongly. So I'm going to close this and look for another one. The idea is to look for so many adverts that you can get inspiration from and use that to create your own adverts. So we want to scroll down to an advert that's been running for at least 3 months. So we are going to go down. All these adverts are running in January. So I'll just call it here. Impression by dates. Then 2024. Say December. Or the account results. Okay, so another one. See, this advert started running on the 29th of November and it is currently active, running on Facebook. So click on add details. Joint and bone pain slowing you down. It's calling out the problem immediately. That's good. That's good. This ad copy is good, but it could be better.
After watching this video, you will stop relying on all those unhealthy roadside apple and all those Orishiishi pain relief supplements that claims to cure your bone problems. You will also discover that those things are taking your money because millions of people around the world suffer from one bone problem or the other. And these problems ranges from osteoarthritis, rheumatism, pain.
I love the hard copy. I love the hard creative as well. Well articulated, calls out the problem, all without expensive medication, invasive surgeries, changing of diet or exercise. That's a good one. That's a good headline there. That's a bold claim. 7 days or money back guarantee. So, as usual, I want to look at their offer. These are their testimonials. More testimonials, which is good. Okay. Buy 2 or more and get these free gifts. Get free shipping. The shipping is supposed to be 3,000 naira, but they will get it delivered to you for free at no extra cost if you buy before 11:59 p.m. today. See, that's their offer. Fast and free delivery. Another free thing is 100% free customer support. A lot of people are skeptical about buying products online because they are scared they won't get the support they need. So this is a good offer as well. Get 100% free customer support, access to a health coach, a full recommendation that this will help you achieve your freedom from joint and bone pain, free access to other informational updates, and much more. A good offer. Okay. Severe or recurring joint pain treatment, buy 3 and get 3 free. This is well articulated more than the other one. Buy 1 and get 1 free. Buy 1 and get 1 free. Free shipping. 20,000, 35,000, and 50,000. If you don't know how to come up with an offer for your product, please watch this video, the thumbnail on your screen. I will leave the link to the video in the description of this video. Just go and watch that video. I'm going to teach you how to create offers for your product. So this is a good offer. I give this 9/10. Excellent offer. Just fill your form, pick the option. You can also upsell people another product that is directly related to what you are selling. So this is a product to help alleviate all back and waist pain. So this is an upsell, a good idea. More testimonials. So this is an excellent funnel, to be honest. This is good. I give this funnel 8/10. Excellent work. I love the flow. I love the message. I love the user interface. I love the offer. And I love the clear instructions on how to order. Simple. Still have questions, you can click to call them or send them a message on WhatsApp. Frequently asked questions. This is perfect. Perfect. Excellent funnel, 9/10. You can keep looking at more. This is another advert on supplements. This is another advert. Idea is to look at many adverts and get inspiration from this advert. Don't just look at one advert and conclude that is what you want to replicate for your business. Go through as many ads as possible. You are going to notice a pattern that will help you create more converting ads. So once you get your ad copy ready, ad creative ready, your sales funnel if you are using one, and you put together the right offer for your product, the next thing you want to do is to test your advert. So go and watch this video so that you can test your adverts.